thejapanesepage.com, beginning Japanese phrases.
This week's word is
誰の財布
which means whose wallet. Repeat after the speaker.
誰の財布誰の財布
The possessive question whose is
誰の
which is made up of
誰
who with the possessive particle.
財布
Can be a man's wallet or a small purse for women as long as it holds money. Let's hear an example sentence.
これは誰の財布ですかあ、それはクリスさんの財布です。
Whose wallet is this? Ah, that is Chris's wallet. Here is the same sentence slowed down. Try to shadow the speaker by repeating a second after the Japanese.
これは誰の財布ですかあ、それはクリスさんの財布です。
And one more time at regular speed.
これは誰の財布ですかあ、それはクリスさんの財布です。
Do you remember what
誰の財布
means? Whose wallet? Now, let's break this sentence down.
これは
As for this,
誰の
whose
財布ですか
wallet is it?
あ、
Ah,
それは
as for that,
クリスさんの
Chris's
財布です。
wallet is. Here it is two more times. Try to mimic the speaker's sounds and rhythm.
これは誰の財布ですかあ、それはクリスさんの財布です。これは誰の財布ですかあ、それはクリスさんの財布です。それじゃあまたね。